guys, and welcome back to another video. So, it's nearly Christmas! Yay! So to celebrate Christmas and make things festive, I have come up with the YouTuber tree trimming challenge or tag or whatever you want to call it. And I will explain that in a bit, but first, in order to do this, you need another YouTuber. So, I have this person.
Hey.
It's Ellie Taylor from her channel, Ellie Taylor. So yeah, she's gonna be in the video today and let's get started. So, the YouTuber tree trimming challenge, that is like a tongue twister.
It sounds like it.
YouTuber tree trimming challenge, YouTuber tree trimming challenge, YouTuber tree trimming challenge.
YouTuber tree trimming challenge.
Okay.
Nailed it.
So the YouTuber tree trimming challenge is a thing where we have to decorate each other like festive Christmas trees using the array of things on the beds, if you could even see them.
Yeah, I think they can.
Okay, well you will see them. And the way this works is we're going to have 1 minute to collect the things. We'll each start separate sides of the room, and for 1 minute we have to come up, grab something, take it back to our section. We're only allowed to carry one thing at a time, and basically after the 1 minute, whatever you have, that's what you're going to use to decorate the other person.
Okay.
So you want all the best stuff.
I was born ready for this.
Yes, and then after that we take in turns putting an ornament on each other.
Okay, now it just sounds mildly sexual, and I'm not sure if I'm okay with this.
But yeah, shall we do this?
Let's get started.
One thing at a time. 3, 2, 1, go! One thing at a time.
That was one thing at a
time, guys. And okay, yeah. And you've got to actually run to it and back.
You didn't tell me that. I'm on that one. I'm colour coding here.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Chloe, this is sounding too sexual.
One thing at a time. Oh my god.
I don't want to live anymore.
I'm competitive. It's just coming through. I just chose a good one and you have a string.
Oh, like a pro. Oh, I want the cute one. I'm sorry, but look how cute it is. It's so cute. I might cry. Chloe, this is the most exercise I've done in months.
I want everything. No. That is the time to say time's
Wait,
up.
back up. This is mine.
I'm dead now. So, we each have our own piles. Yes. This is my pile of amazingness. And this is Ellie's colour coordinated pile. So, now we have to take in turns putting a festiveness on each other.
Putting a festiveness.
Yeah, and unfortunately anything left here that we didn't grab we cannot use. So,
To be honest, we left most of the crap stuff, so I think that's fine.
yeah, okay, so who's going to start?
I think you should start. It's your video, so. You've got to be kidding me.
You know what to do.
How am I going to be able to get my stuff with this on?
I don't know, that's part of the challenge.
I hate you. You know, like, if I could probably make this into a pretty flattering dress if I wanted to. Well, actually, that's a lie. Flattering and me don't exactly work. But still, you know, this should not be my life.
Okay, now you've got to put something on me.
I think I'm going to start because I'm a nice person. And yes, I did just have to hop that. I had no choice. See, that's kind of cool. I think you look... You know what? No, I'm not going to do it like that.
Oh, God. Oh, it's itchy.
Good. I'm putting you through pain.
Oh, come on. Yeah, we gotta make it as awkward as we can for each other to do stuff, right?
Wait,
now.
I'm gonna put it in your pocket so it stays.
Oh, okay. I can easily pull that out.
No, you're not allowed to. Because I could easily take this off, but I'm choosing not to. Because festive!
Okay. Hold this. One hand, hold this.
Calm as a bitch. I think this could be a fabulous moustache. No, now I look like I'm being wrapped up in tinsel. I just look like I'm a torture victim, basically.
Okay.
This is not fun! I'm consulting the special string.
Oh my god, look, I'm like a penguin.
Stop!
Pengu. Yes.
Wait, your hair's caught in it. No, your hair can be caught in it.
Oh, okay.
I've lost. Oh no, it's all falling apart. What a shame. Like underneath my boobs. Okay, right.
It's the new bra. The festive bra for all your festive needs. That was not a good sound.
No, it wasn't.
Okay, two can play at this game, Ellie. Give me your head.
You think my head's gonna fit in that? We already had a conversation today about the fact.
Oh,
We've had a conversation today about the fact that that I have a very large head.
There you go. And you have to wear it like that.
Hey, how you doing?
Okay.
Can I at least move it to the side?
Yes.
There we go, because now I can actually see. You know what? You made it awkward for me, so I'm gonna make it awkward for you. Oh shit. Wait, where did the... This is the most irritating thing. I can just hear it moving beside my...
I'm sorry. What life?
Excuse me. I don't use Tumblr. Sorry for any awkward body part touching. What are we doing with our lives? Where are you putting those?
I'm trying to decide right now. I know.
No!
Fine. Come here.
No, you know what, do it. It's fine. No,
Come here.
no.
No, I can do this. And turn around. Okay, stop. No, turn back now. Stop.
You've got to be kidding me. Ah, what a shame.
Okay.
Stop.
Oh no. I'm gonna have some earrings. Ew, they're so festive.
Piss off.
That sounds weird.
Good. There you go.
I have earrings, guys.
Come on. You know, I thought you couldn't get any worse. But now I get to have facial hair, great.
Too tall. Shit.
I nearly ate the beard.
I need the bed.
Ugh.
Oh, I'm gonna fall off the bed. Wait, face me. Have a beard.
Oh, this feels so weird.
Okay.
This is morally wrong.
And if we start putting two things on at a time.
Oh my god. I do not want this to be my life. I'm actually quite nice to you, so you look alright. What's happened to me? You can just tell in 10 years, when you search my name into Google, this is what's going to come up.
Yeah.
I'm not okay with that. Wait, third finger.
And does it fabulous?
This bauble, that was mine.
Oh, no, this is what you put on my hand. I'm using this one.
Oh, okay, that makes sense. That's fine. I thought you stopped with this bauble.
Okay. I need your ears.
I hate my ears. I'm not okay with this.
I can't get to your ears. Okay.
What do you mean you can't get to my ears? You can't miss them.
This is so... Okay, one earring.
Okay, so now I'm a reindeer, Santa, and an elf. What have you done to me? See, you've got off quite easily with this. You know what? All the stuff left here, I don't know what I'm going to do with. So, I lost an earring. So I'm going to finish with this little guy. And I'm going to put this little guy in your pocket because he's cute.
Okay. So
that's your last thing.
You've got to put the earring back on at some point.
I lost the other earring. What a shame.
So, that was the YouTuber tree trimming challenge. And
I'm never going to film with you again.
I think we look pretty fabulous. So, to determine who won this challenge, you guys need to comment down below who you think has the best costume. And if Ellie has the best outfit, then I win, and vice versa.
You know, usually I'm quite a competitive person, but in this sense, I don't think either of us are a winner. I think we've both lost a lot through this video.
Okay, so comment down below who you think has won this challenge, and I challenge all the other YouTubers out there to have a go at the YouTuber tree trimming challenge. I will see you guys all next week, probably.
Yeah, that's the thing.
Okay. Bye!